It's a glorious day at Cabinet Joint. I'm Nick, and I'm here to talk to you about our floating shelf options. We have a number of different options when it comes to floating shelves. 3 primary designs, one being a slab, one beaded, and one more of a crown with almost like a molding feel to it. Those options you'll be able to see with some images here on the video. And our shelves come in 2 fixed lengths, 6 inches and 12 inches, or in variable lengths, 24 inches to 84 inches at 1/16 of an inch increments. Our standard depth is going to be 10 inches. They are also available at different depths, but you'll need to talk to your cabinet coach as there will be some added cost for varying depths. Our floating shelves are always 2.5 inches thick and come with all of the material you need to hang your shelf. It has a lovely rack system that when shipped to you is actually nested inside the shelf. So don't get worried if you don't see any extra pieces in your shipment. It's already nested inside that shelf, and you simply take that apart and add it to your wall. It comes pre-assembled outside of the mounting bracket. Mounting bracket will need to be affixed to your wall and then the shelf added to. When it comes to finishing options, it comes in an array of species or colors. We can do all of our standard paints. We have some unique species like rift cut, white oak, walnut, and a few other options. Please talk to your cabinet coach to see which option is right for you. If you do have any questions about floating shelves, feel free to give us a call, 888-211-6482. Have a great day.